guys, welcome back to my video. It's Chef Audrey in the house. So I'm going to be making banana cake by myself. But not exactly by myself because my mom is going to put the banana cake in the oven. So let's start. The first thing I need to do is just so I already done the first step is to mash bananas. The next step is to, you need to get 2 eggs. As you can see, now you need to crack them. I'm not very good at cracking eggs, so let's see if this works. Yay, I did it! Guys, look! I did it! I can see it, but you guys can't, sorry. Oh, this one's perfect, Ma. Perfect egg crack. Oh, crack. Luckily, I didn't get any shells.
It's okay.
So now we are gonna add some oil. What type of oil is this? As you can see. Yeah, drop it in.
1/3 cup of oil.
1/3 cup of oil. Whee!
And then 1/3 cup of brown sugar.
Now 1/3 cup of brown sugar.
Mix everything.
Now I will have to mix everything. This is a special type of mixer thing.
You add 1 teaspoon vanilla in.
Now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Where's the vanilla? Oh, there you go. Now I just need a teaspoon, as you can see. 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Don't forget that if you're trying to make this. A bit spilly, but okay.
1/2 teaspoon
And 1/2 teaspoon
of
of salt. My mama is gonna add it. So add. Now I'm going to mix it up together. Remember? As you can see, it's hard to press it down. Ooh, it's turning nice.
You add 1/3 of milk.
Now I will add 1/3 of milk. If you don't have a milk, guys, just use milk powder and water as what I did. Weird. Now it's going to turn into this brownish color that looks like kind of a horse color to me. And it's kind of turning like coffee. Kind of smells like coffee. But don't hesitate to eat it. Mama's turn to mix. And that'll mix.
And then you add
Then we add flour, but we need what was it called again?
sifter.
A sifter of flour. So how many pieces?
1.5 cup of flour.
2.5 cup.
1.5.
1.5 cup of flour. Doesn't look like it, but okay. Can you hold the sifter, Mama, please? Like co-chef. That's enough? That's enough. So my mom is gonna sift for a bit, and then I'm gonna sift.
Include that one.
So I will put all of it in. It's kind of a bit floury now. Now I'm going to sift. Right?
You add 1 teaspoon baking powder.
Now I have to add 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Ta-da! Now how do I get this? Big question, how do I get this? have no idea to get this.
Okay.
My mom is gonna do it. I have no idea how to get it. I don't have any idea.
So 1 teaspoon baking powder.
So
Baking soda.
this is 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
And 1 teaspoon baking powder.
Now we need 1 teaspoon of baking powder. There you go. That's probably. Wait. No idea how to open this. Maybe.
Open it, please.
So now we are going to get 1 teaspoon of baking soda.
Baking powder.
I mean baking powder. There you go. Neat. Now pour it in. Now all that left to do is mix it.
Not that one. Ulit isa. Pagkatapos ano.
So now I'm going to mix it with not this thingy as another one. Just gonna wait for my mom.
You hold that one and then Mama will gonna mix it.
Wait, Mama?
You mix it.
Okay, I'm gonna mix it now. This isn't easy. This isn't that hard as I thought. I thought it was gonna be very hard when I mix it, but it's actually pretty easy.
You don't have to over mix it.
So I'm not going to over mix it. That's what my mama told me. It looks a bit sticky, so that's why we're adding flour to it.
And then you can add banana.
Now I'm gonna add my favorite heavy part, banana. So I'm going to siphon it. Plop. It's plopping in, guys. Bye bye, banana. So say bye bye to the banana. There you go. No banana left. All that's left to do is, never mind. I'm going to mix it now by myself. See how hard this is. Not that hard. Can I mix it?
Did you put the vanilla?
Yes. So I already put the vanilla. So my mom is gonna mix it, and I'm gonna mix it next to make sure it's perfect.
She prefix.
I mean perfect. Perfect.
I think that's enough.
What?
Yeah, see here. Final.
Wait. The sides. There.
Okay, and then you're gonna put this one.
Now we're gonna put it in this. Wait.